Welcome to the Woodbury. This brand new townhome offers you 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and 1,517 square feet. That's a lot of square feet for you to make your dream home. In your kitchen, you will enjoy gourmet appliances and luxury finishes for ideal dining and hosting. If your current kitchen lacks storage, well, we've got you covered. Expansive granite countertops, a ton of cabinetry, a massive island, as well as a pantry. Throughout the first floor, the open concept floor plan welcomes an abundance of warm, natural light. It also offers space. That's space for game and movie night, entertaining, and so much more. Also on your first floor is your garage and a half bath. Upstairs, you will find 3 bedrooms and a loft. Let's talk about this loft. It defines flexibility as the options are endless. Check out our Flex Space video on our social media channels for some inspiration. Your owner suite comes equipped with a massive walk-in closet and an ensuite with dual vanity sinks and a spacious shower. We worked hard to deliver both convenience and luxury in this gorgeous townhome. Because at HHHunt, it's how you live that matters. Learn more about this model and what we can build for you by visiting HHHunthomes.com. Design selections may vary by home, location, and options chosen.